In today's math lesson, we're going to complete a table and graph a linear function. The goal for this lesson is to see how an equation, table, and graph correspond. Once you have an equation, you can use it to find the missing values of a table and then plot those points from the table onto a graph and see how the original equation looks in pictorial form. There are a couple of different ways we can go about doing this process. The first one will be by hand. So step one of doing this by hand is just to plug the given table of x values into the equation and then simplify to get your y values. We've done this in a previous lesson, so this should not be new, nor should it be difficult. After filling in the table, you will plot each row, remembering that each row is a coordinate point on the graph. Finally, you will connect the points with a ruler. Don't just leave random points or even instructed points on a graph. You need to tell what's happening with them. They're making a line. So you connect them with your ruler and you run an extended amount of distance beyond the points, both before and after. Now, if your teacher allows you to use the TI Nspire to help you fill in the table, these are the steps that you will need. Starting on a page for a graph, type in the equation that they give you in the problem, and then push enter. After you've graphed the equation, you're going to pull up the table by pushing Control T. So that will give you the table in the calculator of all of the x values for the given equation that you will then use to fill in the table that you have been given in the problem itself. Let's see how this works.